Hello children, good morning. Welcome to our maths class. How are you? Hope that you are fine. Let us start our class now. Today we will learn comparison of fractions. Already we have learned types of fractions. Today our topic is comparison of fractions. First we will learn how to compare the like fractions. We have studied the comparison of like fractions in the last grade. Let us compare the fractions 2 by 7 and 5 by 7. We can see that 2 by 7 and 5 by 7. Here 2 by 7 and 5 by 7. These are the two fractions. If you see, these two are the like fractions. Why these two are like fractions? Because these two fractions denominators are same. The fractions which are having the same denominators are known as like fractions. So by seeing the denominators we can say these are the like fractions. The denominators are the same, so we will compare the numerators easily. So here what are the numerators? First fraction numerator is 2 and then second fraction numerator is 5. So as denominators are same, there is no chance to compare the denominators because both are equal. We are going to compare the numerators. So 2 and 5. If you take 2 and 5 here, so which is the greater? 5 is a greater one, which means 2 is smaller than 5. So finally, fraction 2 by 7 is smaller than 5 by 7. It's a very simple to compare like fractions. So whatever the smallest numerator is there, that fraction is a smaller than the other fraction. Okay. Now we will see how to compare the unlike fractions. For this first one, we will learn comparison of unlike fractions with the same numerator. So unlike fractions means the fractions which are having different denominators are known as unlike fractions. So in case if a numerators are same, then how to compare the given unlike fractions, now we are going to learn. Suppose we want to compare fractions 3 by 7, 3 by 4 and 3 by 9. If you observe, the denominators of given three fractions are 7, 4, 9. 7, 4, 9. So these three numbers are, three denominators are different. So these are the examples for unlike fractions, but here the numerators are same. What is the common numerator for all three fractions? 3. So as the numerator same, then we should compare the denominators. How to compare the denominators? Here if you see 7, 4, 9, 4 is a smaller than 7 and 9, and next 7 is a smaller than 9. So 4 is smaller than 7 and 9 and 7 is smaller than 9. We can write that statement 4 less than 7 less than 9. Okay. By comparing these denominators, we can write the fractions in order. So which is the least denominator here? 4. Now 3 by 4 is the greatest one among the given fractions. What is the next least denominator? 7. So 3 by 7 is greater than the third fraction 3 by 9. Here if you observe, 3 by 4 is greater than 3 by 7 and 3 by 9, and 3 by 7 is greater than 3 by 9. When two or more fractions have the same numerator and different denominators, the fractions with the smallest denominator is a larger one, and the fraction with the greatest denominator is a smaller one. See here, 3 by 4, 3 by 7, 3 by 9. So as we know, numerators are same here. We are going to compare denominators. Actually, 4 is the smallest denominator, but 3 by 4 is the largest fraction. Okay. So when two or more fractions have the same numerator and different denominators, the fraction with the smaller denominator is larger one. This is the way to compare unlike fractions which are having same numerators. Let us take one more example. First fraction is 2 by 7. Next fraction is 2 by 11. And then third fraction is 2 by 9. So here the numerators of the given fractions are same, but the denominators are different. So now we will compare the denominators. What are the denominators given here? 7, 11 and 9. So among these three denominators, 7 is the smallest one, and then next smaller one is 9, and the next smaller one is 11. Means 11 is greater than 7 and 9, 9 is greater than 7. So exact opposite we are taking the fractions. So 7 is smaller than all the denominators. Now the fraction which is having 7 as a denominator, 2 by 7, is greater than the remaining fractions. And next one is a 9. 2 by 9 is greater than 2 by 11. So the smallest denominator becomes as a greatest fraction. This is the way to compare unlike fractions with the same numerators.